we had a switch become hot. And I said, uh-oh, and we still had, in this 115-year-old house, the original knob and tube wiring, and we knew that for insurance purposes, we knew that for physical safety purposes, for selling this house, we are now newly retired, that not having electrical up to code would be a big impediment. I didn't call anybody else. I said, I want this done right, and the degree of customer service, the style of customer service was just exemplary, and Cardinal was amazing, the way they worked around our personal schedule. It was really worth it. This was a smart investment in our family's safety, in the value of my home, and when it comes time to sell this home, this house, the work that we chose to have Cardinal do, that Cardinal did, will be an absolute blessing to us. Cardinal treated my family with the utmost respect, and there was no question that was dumb. When they said they were going to be here, they were here. They called ahead. Very clean and tidy in my home. I'm kind of particular. They were guests in my home that did wonderful work, and I have and will continue to recommend Cardinal to my family members and my neighbors.